These are the elevators at the Independence parking garage at the VA hospital in Gainesville, Florida. Let's go up to 5. Not sure if it works. This one's got panels on the side, and I don't think it works. Let's go 4. Let's go to 3. 3 we can do. Here we are at 3. I think the reason why we can't go any higher than 3 is because 3 is the roof. Look at that. There's 2 extra spaces. I wonder if the stairs go any higher. Let's find out. They do go higher, but they're blocked off. Weird. Anyway, let's go down. We could even call it up if we wanted to. In fact, the other elevator is up here. But, okay, took a little while to respond to my call, but it is working. So really weird, there's COP buttons go up to 5, the stairwell goes up to 5. We're gonna take a look from the outside and you'll see it is nighttime, so you're probably not gonna get the best view, but it's really strange. We'll send this one up and try to get the other elevator. But in the meantime, take a look at this. You can see 2, 3, 4, you can go all the way up to 5. I can't tell if the elevators, yeah, look, the elevators do have landings going all the way up to 5. I don't know if you can see it all that well, but let's call the other one. The other one's coming. So, again, really weird setup. So, 5 is locked, 4 is locked. Just to check, 5 locked, 4 locked, but we can go to 3. This makes no sense to me. I'm honestly glad I stopped here. I was tempted to just pass these ones up since I saw it's only a 3-story garage. But yeah, you would not have guessed this was only a 3-story garage just from the elevator interior. But on the outside, it's pretty clear. So let's just take one more look. Again, clearly looks like it goes up to 5, but roof is 3. That'll be it.